Outer layer is the cell membrane. It controls what goes in and out. Cell get energy from source of mitochondria, also known as the powerhouse. And the ribosomes help the cell with protein synthesis. Endoplasmic reticulum carries substances breaking down materials like lysosomes. And the nucleus controls the cell kinda like a brain contains DNA divide to replicate. Also nuclear membrane full of pores. Each unit of cell is an organelle. The membrane keeps substances out inside, fills it with cytoplasm. Lysosomes help break things down, energy from mitochondria. Protein factor is ribosomes. Endoplasmic reticulum transfer substances like proteins, and the nucleus control things. Cell membrane, mitochondria, lysosomes, ribosomes, cytoplasm, nucleus, earring, Golgi body. If you look at a plant cell, they have a few different organelles, chloroplast, vacuoles, and a cell wall. Chloroplast take the sunlight, convert food through photosynthesis. Large vacuoles store food and water. Cell wall is the outer cellulose protector. It provides structure to the cell. Here what cell contains, these are cell organelles, and these are important to the cell. Cell membrane, mitochondria, lysosomes, ribosomes, cytoplasm, nucleus, earring, Golgi body. Thank you for giving wonderful opportunity. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.